Hello, we're filming for AVOC. We're going to be rating every single water in every single hall's restroom. Con, you're going to try Science Building's water and rate it 1 out of 10. Okay, you can't forget about the short one.
True that.
Okay, 1 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Okay, let me just try tall one. That's a good coolness. Not very smooth, but very cool. I give it a good 7 too.
What about the small one?
I guess I'll try it. It doesn't taste good, but it's very cold, so that'll make it like at least like a 5. Thank you.
Thank you. We approve this message.
AVOC, AVOC. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is currently September 8th, 1:04 p.m. Today we're going to be testing the upper level of K building water fountains for AVOC. Connor, if you would please step up to the LK fountain and take a sip. Okay, let me get a sip. Very chill, kind of smooth, but the taste isn't there. Well, how do you feel about it?
Yeah, I think you're right. The taste ain't really it, but it is cold. What do you rate it? 5.
Yeah, a good 5.5.
Yeah. This is 4.
Yeah. AVOC till I RIP. Water break, lower hall of K building. First impression, first sip. That is very cold, very smooth. The taste is alright, but the coldest water probably in all of Somerset. Maybe.
I mean, look at that 5.
That's a good 8. That's a good 8. I'm not gonna lie to you. Small one. It's cold, but the taste isn't there. I'm gonna censor that.
The aftertaste is really bad, but it is really good water.
In the moment, it's good. If I'm thirsty, it's a good 10.
Oh, that taste is terrible. Yeah.
Small ones have not been it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're short, I'm sorry for you. Somerset's not the school for you. You're not gonna be drinking water. You're better off just drinking the toilet water.
Somerset's very discriminatory. If you're short, you get terrible water. Get terrible water if you're short.
Watch out. Something. Today we're gonna be trying the all-famous gym water from Chris. Chris says this is the best water in all of Somerset. Supposedly, there's a rumor of what we're called the Bulldogs. We're called the Bulldogs because the Bulldogs actually gave a legendary water, and it's in this gym, ladies and gentlemen.
You want me to slide across the hood or not?
If you want to go to jail. See, in there is where we farm the nectar from the Bulldog to get the Bulldog water. If you didn't know, ladies and gentlemen. See, as you can tell, the Bulldog, very sacred to us. We actually have a giant 10-foot statue of a Bulldog. Still locked out here just to try the legendary water. How to that non-discriminated, no one's telling who that is. It was it wasn't non-gender specific person. Clutched up a coach to open the door for us. Yo, this is kind of hard. Damn. Water. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. It's over there, right?
No, yeah, it's okay.
I think I remember trying this one in freshman year. I think I cried off the first taste of the water. Oh, it's Aiden. We got in.
Yeah.
The legendary water.
Wasting the cold.
Let me get a sip. I felt the coolness kick in. At first, it was a good 5. Then turned into a good 10 when that coolness hit. It came off smooth. Best water in all of Somerset High School. If you want water, come here. Look at the clarity in the water. It's literally nectar from the gods, the bulldog gods. Whoa, delicious.
Got the little one? Yeah.
I don't trust the little ones. They lost my trust.
Still has that lead taste to it. Not as cold.
For the little people, we'll try
4 out
it.
of 10. 4 out of
For
10.
little people.
For little people, that would be like a 6 out of 10.
Little people do not have it good in Somerset. I'm just gonna say that right now.
This one has the least amount of lead to it.
The best.
The best.
If you don't want to die from lead poisoning at the age of 18, drink this water only. Thank you.
No cap.
This one actually tastes good.
The perfect range to it.
And it's cold. So.
Cold, good tasting water with a good stream.
Look at that stream, bro. Perfectly into the hole.
Rated 1 to 10.
No way, bro.
Wait, you're lying.
No lead taste to it, bro. Unleaded.
Tastes like actual water.
That's actual water, bro.
Chris, you gotta try that.
Can't.
Worst water in all of Somerset. You can't even drink it. Short people do not have any water here in Somerset.
Okay, this one tastes like actual filtered water.
What would you rate it?
10 out of 10 for Somerset.
I gotta get another sip. Delicious, perfect stream, perfect coolness, perfect smoothness, perfect taste. 10, 10, 10, 10. Best water.
This is where the water fountain's at. The best water fountain in all of Somerset High School is in this weight room.
Why do you think it's locked up behind those doors? No one can come in here. See, look, these are all the awards for the best water in all of Somerset right here. These are all for this water fountain right here. Oh my god. Don't put that in, bro.
This is
Champion water.
water fountain boys team.
See, we won state 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times for the water fountain. Oh shit! Look at this water right here.
The water fountain.
Come on, you almost built like the biggest trophy.
Hold on, I gotta test this.
All right, taste
Okay,
test.
let's get it.
The cameraman
Let's see.
taking out the heavy for the
What's
sip.
all about.
1 out of 10.
That's fire.
That's fire.
Fire from the cameraman himself.
Yes, sir.
That's fire.
All the good water is in this building. That's where we get our undefeated teams from.
Does that include the series?
That includes the series. All we need to know is the best water is in here. That's what we were searching for. We found it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us on the water break on AVOC. Next segment now.
Do we have a side effect?
Secret water, actually. Bubbles, that's a good sign. The water in the cup is chilled. Look how chilled it is. You can tell it's frosty.
Okay. Hey, but is it good though? Let's see.
1 out of 10.
This is 11 out of 10 on the Somerset High School rating. Just because this is super purified and it has 0% lead in it.
That's clearly a secret rare. Secret rare
If
water.
this was Pokemon Go, that would be a shiny. A shiny Mewtwo even.
Oh shoot, I used to have a shiny Mewtwo.
Well, now you know.
Now you know, ladies and gentlemen.
Try this.
Delicious. Here is all the storage of the good water. And it'd be like, hello guys, we make the Mondays.
Who can draw the best Hello Kitty?
I don't know.
I could.
Okay. Cool.
Cause I draw them all the time.
Alright. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is your two hosts from AVOC plus Chris Man, the cameraman, reporting to you live from all the waters in Somerset. Okay, cut that out. And then this is the conclusion of the water tasting episode.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Peace.
Boom.